Here's how to remove your email address on your Instagram account. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. Now from here, there are two different ways to be able to remove it. The first place to check is tap on your profile at the bottom right and then edit profile. From here, depending on your specific settings and whether you have a creator or a business account, you can tap on contact options and then business email. You might have an email address in here associated with your account that you can just delete it out and then hit save. However, keep in mind if you wanted to go into the account email address, the one that you use to log in or get verification codes, you can find that in a different spot. Let's get to your settings by going back, tap the three lines at the top right. Now from here, all of that information, your email address and your phone number all live in the account center for both Instagram as well as Facebook. So let's tap on account center and then personal details. Now from here, you can finally see the contact info, the email address and phone number. To be able to delete it out, all you need to do is tap on it, tap on your email address here, and then tap delete email. Now keep in mind, this will no longer be able to be used to reset your password and get that verification code. So you will need a phone number associated with your account. If you don't have a phone number, you can always go back, tap add new contact and add a mobile number. By adding a new phone number onto your account, you'll be able to get codes texted to you if you no longer have the email to be able to get verification codes if you forgot your password.